James McCann, people's hero for the Provisional IRA in their struggle against the British government. They've arrested him and charged him with terrorism, and he wouldn't recognise court. Turned his back on the proceedings. Crazy cat. They've thrown him in jail. He's escaped, soared through the bars. The nutter's got every policeman in Ireland looking for him. And out of the blue, he comes into the office, gives us an interview for the magazine. Yeah, he's a real revolutionary. Welcome to paradise.
Paradise?
Jim? Jim? Where's your man, McCann?
Hello? Likes his porn. Hey, your mum's in here.
Does that look?
She look like your mum.
Actually, should be illegal. Gives us a means of living, a new currency to overthrow the fascist overlords.
I don't think it should be illegal. You know, I can't condone the punishing of people who smoke it. Oh. Hello.
Hello, Jim.
Howard.
You're from Kabul, are you?
I'm Welsh, actually.
Fucking Welsh, what the fuck can you do?
Well, I'm here to decide whether you can help us or not.
Help you? I'm the kid. Yeah, the kid, the fox. I decided if you're any fucking use to me, you better be some fucking use to me! You were followed from the airport by my boys. This place is surrounded by the IRA. Any fucking around and you're gone, brother. Gone! Right? Alan, why have you brought me this wanker? I thought you were going to get me someone who could bring me arms from Kabul.
I told you, Kabul's not a place that sells arms, Jim.
What the fuck do you mean, sell arms? I don't buy fucking arms. I get given them by people who want to ensure their future when we fail to kick you fucking Brits out of my country. Sell arms.
Smoke, Jim? Well, we're dope smugglers, and we wanted to know if you could help us bring it into the country. Pay you a lot of money for doing it. Okay.
Did nobody tell you what the boys do to drug dealers? Eh? We're revolutionaries, not fucking drug pushers. Out! Walk! No, you! Come on!
Okay.
Out!
All right, Jim, all right.
Come on! Down there. Come on!
I've done nothing wrong. Jim, please.
Hey! What the fuck are you doing?
Joint. Last request.
You're not fucking listening, are you? We don't want that filth here. Stand back, I'm gonna kneecap soppy bollocks here.
No, man. Listen, I'll go first, man. He's shitting himself. Do me.
Come on. Howard, you might want to sit down first so you don't crack your fucking head when you fall. Take your trousers down.
What?
So you're in good. If I shade you through the trousers, a bit of cloth could get stuck in the wind and infected and have to lose the leg. Come on.
It's very gracious of you.
You've been wanting that smoke now?
Yeah.
That's a Welsh prat like you doing selling hash anyway. You should have stuck to painting road signs. Give me that fucking joint.